Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 on business. You know what I mean? Using my lead gen secrets, day 25, I think. Oh, I don't know why I'm so chipper today. I still wake up at 5 o'clock to do these things. But chipper today for some reason. Anyway, let's keep it moving. Alright, so let's see if we got any sales here. Hit refresh, make sure people hit refresh when they check to see if they got sales, because they can trick you. They can change all this around. They can make it change on the pages. If they refresh, it show the real thing. So make sure people refresh when they show their results. Anyway, we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally okay, absolutely fine. It's not a big deal because we've been doing so well. It's just when you get sales, and the thing about when you get sales with this system is that it adds up. You know what I mean? You slowly making more and more money every month. That's simply by getting sales, and people are staying in the system, which is kind of wild, right? Anyway, yeah, we're doing pretty good, wise. Doing pretty well, man. I'm happy that this is working so well, and the idea that it might be working, it's working really well with you guys. That'd be great. I hope it's working really well with you guys, man. I believe this right here is the best system you can promote. Right now, it's 80% commissions. You ain't gonna find higher than that. You just ain't. You ain't gonna find higher than 80% commissions. You might find 80% commission. You may can find 80% commissions, but only for the first sale. Only for the first sale. Then it's gonna go down significantly. Even if you do find 80% commissions. I've seen some program with 80% commissions before, but it was like one sale, like the first sale you do. And if when they stay in the system though, it go down to like 10 or 15% commissions after that. So like, for example, like you get somebody to spend $100 and it's 80% commissions for like other systems, you'll get that $80, right? But then the next month, and they paid $100 again for the system, you'll probably get about $10 or $15, maybe $25 if you're lucky, 25%. It goes down a whole lot. This right here stays 80% the whole time, which is absolutely astronomical, because you don't find it just don't exist really. It doesn't exist really. Okay guys, let's keep it moving here. So we did not get a sale yesterday, like I stated before, so we're gonna send an email to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Okay guys, let's see what we want to send today. I'm thinking about starting over with these. These perform kind of good. Was it these? Or was it these? Let's get this one. I haven't sent this one yet. Or this one. These two I haven't sent yet. So we're gonna send those two. Alright, so we're gonna just send that there. Make sure to hit perfect time. What perfect time does, send the email around the time people check their emails. You just hit that. Make sure to check your link and see if your link works. I know mine works because I don't send this email before, but I already don't check the email. Honestly, that's about it, guys. It's that simple. 5 minutes doing this here, make you some money, man. I really hope it's working for you guys, because I'm so happy that it's working out for me, so I assume it's working out for you, especially if you promote in different ways as well. Like for example, TikTok or something like that. TikTok's a really good place to promote it. Just make some TikToks. TikToks are easier to make than YouTube videos, so you can just, I don't know, dance around talking about the system or whatever, and then just post it up. It don't take that long, and you just do that every day. One of those. Don't make more than 3 TikToks. I'll say that a day. Don't do that. Don't make more than 3. Post 3 times max. 1 time minimum. every day. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. The links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.